Hi, my name is Moji, and I'm a co-founder at Cemvita Factory based in Houston, Texas. Our mission is to apply synthetic biology for reversing climate change. And we do that by biomanufacturing of low-carbon CO2-based chemicals. Our customers are innovative chemical companies that want to lower the carbon footprint of their products and take advantage of sustainable premiums. We help them by reducing their Scope 1 emissions, and that's done by using their own flue gas as a feedstock for our processes. The way the technology works is by genetic engineering of microbes and turning them into small advanced chemical plants that run under ambient temperature and could utilize CO2 as a feedstock. This is called biomanufacturing, and it's going to revolutionize the chemical industry, one low carbon reaction at a time. We have a mission and a goal to utilize 1 gigaton of CO2 by 2050. Now, let me give you an example to see how are we going to get there. The best example is our Biethylene project with Oxy. As you know, ethylene is the biggest organic molecule in the world, and it goes into almost all polymers and plastics. And turns out bananas in the ripening process produce ethylene. So we took the gene for ethylene forming enzyme from bananas and engineered it into our microbe, which is now patent protected and produces ethylene from CO2. Why is this important and how does this scale? Only one of these plants could utilize 1.7 million tons of CO2 per year to produce 1 billion pounds of bioethylene per year at cost parity or lower compared to fossil fuel derived ethylene. How is that possible? It's because we're eliminating ethane as a feedstock. We're also eliminating the energy intensive cracking process, replacing that with fermentation under ambient temperature. And we're also simplifying the post-processing. We're not limited to ethylene. We have identified 30 other molecules that we could make from CO2. A lot of these are available for sponsorship from our clients. We're a very multidisciplinary and diverse team of scientists and engineers with decades of experience in process and chemical technology, biotechnology, and also business and entrepreneurship. And all of this is guided by our advisory board, who similarly have a very diverse background. And we've been able to also build collaboration with several institutes around the world in academia, policy, and also entrepreneurship hubs. Right now, we're expanding our customer base. So if anything that I said is resonating with you, please feel free to reach out.